let's talk about how to use ChatGPT tasks and what this means about the future of AI. So on its own, ChatGPT tasks is not a very robust feature. A lot of people are pretty confused of like, why did they release this? Is it really valuable? I'm kind of in the same boat. You can say like, send me the weather tomorrow morning, and it will like create a task, and it's basically just like delayed prompts. So I can just say this, and then it will basically say, or like remind me to create a workout plan tomorrow morning. It's basically just like a to-do list. You ask it to do something, it creates a task, and then it schedules it out. And then tomorrow morning, you'll get a message like this, and it will say start doing this. And so on its own, it's just like notifications and tasks. Like, this is nothing new. But I think what's most important here is the writing on the wall. This is starting to show us that both ChatGPT, Claude, and Google have all released features very similar to this that are all kind of hinting at AI agents. Imagine if this, like 5 steps down the line, if I say, respond to all of my emails tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. and it has this recurring thing. Or maybe I say like, I don't know, give me 10, like go and do product research every day at 10 a.m. and forward the insights to my Slack channel. These are starting to get to more agent-like capabilities, and rather than it just being a task, it would actually go and do that thing. So I think that's really where we're heading, right? On its own, ChatGPT Task is not that crazy of a feature. Like, it's really not that good. But if you think about it in terms of, all right, now it's just reminding you. What happens when instead of it reminding you to do something, it actually goes and does the thing? You can think of this in terms of like sales and marketing. Like, hey, like use my tone of voice documentation to publish a LinkedIn post tomorrow at 10 a.m. that you write. Something like this. Then it could go, I could connect it to my LinkedIn, and then tomorrow a LinkedIn post based on based on the transcripts of the videos on my channel here, insert link, write me a landing page for a product and build the website for me and send me the finished product, and something like this, right? If I asked it to do this right now, it's just going to give me this block of text, say like, oh, this is something that we can't really do. But as you've seen with Claude computer use, with Google Project Mariner, both of these are I actually think that Claude and Google are a little bit ahead of ChatGPT on this. But computer use, if you don't know what it is, it's basically like you type something in your browser. Is there a demo here? You type something in your browser and it basically just goes and clicks buttons and does it for you. This is an agent at its core. The same thing with Project Mariner, right? If we look at Google, we search Project Mariner, it's basically this exact idea, right? So if we go to like this and we just let this video play a little bit, you can see right here, it's gonna open up like a little extension right here. And then it's basically the agent is going to take whatever the intent is that you had, and it's going to go and basically work for you and take actions for you. And this is kind of what we're seeing. So what you need to know is that although like task is not that good right now, give it 6 months, give it a year, we'll have a world where you can ask ChatGPT or Claude or Google to go and do work for you on a recurring basis. Say like every single morning, like what is it that you do when you log on your computer? You check all your emails, you respond to people, you figure out what you're gonna do that day. You could say it every single day, like check my calendar every single morning and XYZ, do XYZ thing, create me a plan for the day, right? But when it can start creating landing pages, creating ads, creating content, doing sales for you, basically doing everything in order to sell your product, doing customer research for you, this is when it's going to get exciting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed kind of the spin that I put on this. It's not really about tasks, it's about kind of what this is hinting at. And so if you're interested in building agents, you can join AI Agent University. We'll get your first agent set up in a matter of hours. Or if you want me to build agents for your business, you have a larger scale business, we build out custom AI agents for businesses, sales agents, marketing agents, etc., etc. We built dozens of sales agents at this point, at least half a dozen marketing agents, and we can get these set up within a week or two. So thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.